Introduction to ClickUp Views.
ClickUp offers a range of views that can help you visualize and organize your projects. By understanding how each view works, you can ensure that important deadlines don't get lost. Whether you're working solo or with a team, using the right view can make tracking priority tasks and upcoming due dates much easier.
List view, keeping priorities clear.
The list view displays tasks in a straightforward list format, making it perfect for reviewing what needs to be done next. You can arrange tasks by due date, status, or priority. This view gives you a clear overview, helping you spot urgent deadlines so you can act quickly and keep projects on track.
Board view, visual workflow management.
In the board view, tasks appear as cards that can be moved between columns representing different project stages. This Kanban-style layout is ideal for tracking progress and shifting tasks as priorities change. By visually managing your workflow, you can see which tasks are approaching their deadlines and easily adjust plans.
Calendar view mastering deadlines.
The calendar view shows tasks and project milestones by date. This is essential for making sure deadlines are always front and center. You can adjust task dates with a simple drag and drop. The calendar helps you identify scheduling conflicts and ensure all deliverables are planned realistically.
Gantt view, visualizing the big picture.
Gantt view offers a timeline layout of your tasks showing dependencies and overlaps. It's perfect for complex projects with multiple deadlines. You can see how delays impact the rest of your schedule, making it easier to reschedule and keep your project moving forward smoothly.
Tips for optimizing ClickUp views.
Customize your views with filters and sorting options to highlight high priority or overdue tasks. Use color coding and tags for better organization. Combine different views to suit your workflow. For example, planning in calendar view and tracking progress in board view. Consistently using these features helps you stay on top of every project deadline.